Today's video is how to remove a tattoo you regret. It could be man or woman, or how to remove fresh tattoo ink from skin, home remedy. Hello guys, hello friends, you are highly welcome back to my channel, friends. Thank you so much, friends, for watching. If today is your first time of seeing this video, hello, my name is Becky. Thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's video, friends, I will really like to deep into the roots of a tattoo ink or tattoo. You could be the first summer of tattoo, so I would like to dive too deep to the roots. Okay guys, let's roll it. First of all, I want you to go and check on my page. There's a lot of testimony, there's a lot of comments. People see changes. Some people thanks me that they finally remove it, and some people coded mine. Some people say they remove it, they left with scalp. I don't know, maybe they check my channel very well. I have a remedy I did how to remove scalp or infection of my page. I don't know, maybe they forgot to check that as well. Anyway, let's go straight to the remedy. I'm going to explain deep because sometimes I'm very bad to reply to message or comment. Some message I deleted, some messages you won't believe it. So first, remove of a tattoo is not all that different than getting a tattoo in the first place. All right, that is to say, there is more than one way to do it, and no matter which method you land on, it will probably leave a mark. Speaking of different methods, do you know that some people remove their tattoo at home? Please consult with a doctor or consider your option. Before you use any of this remedy, I want you to consult or to contact your doctor or whoever you are using, or surgical remover or medical regis or professional person. Okay. Guys, I have a video that I've already made on YouTube that to check the color of the inks they use on your tattoo. I will actually put the link below. Before you even try to use home remedy, I want you to know the type of ink. I want you to check your melanin. I want you to go to that page and check this my video before you could even use any of this remedy. Generally speaking, colors such as a red, blue, and black are easier to remove, while orange, yellow, pink, purple, and brown are very harder to remove. The most difficult shade of inks to remove are green, light blue, teal, and basically any non-color. Check your ink or go to my page. I explain myself very well before you even try. Please check your melanin, check the ink they use on your skin, consult your doctor, seek advice, check online before you go ahead. Most people use my remedy, they thanks me. I receive a lot of voucher, I receive perfume, which I make a video of it. Okay, better the quality the tattoo, the harder it is to remove. Bear that in mind. Means you spend a whole month searching for the best tattoo artist and then spend another month on the waiting list. Guys, so let's roll this. Let me show you the remedy I'm going to be using today. Guys, if you are new to this channel, please guys, I want you to subscribe to my channel for more because I'm making a lot of research. And this remedy today, we all have to thanks to one of my subscribers which used my own remedy, and he also exchanged another remedy with me. Thank you, sir, for sharing this remedy with us. So we are going to try it, and told me that this remedy work effectively. So we're going to roll it. We're gonna use this remedy. So guys, if today is your first time of seeing this video, guys, please subscribe to this channel, share this video, Share this video. I need a lovely comment. Please be like other people. If this worked for you, could you kindly leave the comment below or send me an email, or if you have any remedy you are using like this gentle guy, let me know so we can make remedy and we can share it in public. Thank you guys for supporting me, guys. Thank you so much. So let's roll it. Let's dive to the remedy. The first ingredient is going to be a natural, any type of your yogurt, the one you are comfortable with. The one I'm using is very cheap and it works effectively. And along with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of salt. Of course, salt is very important. It's the very important ingredient that we really actually need in this remedy. And along with organic honey, 1 teaspoon of organic honey. So we need a good aloe vera. If you have aloe vera in your house, you can actually use the real aloe vera. The reason why I'm using the gel, because I'm used to that gel. Sometimes if I finish my natural aloe vera, I use that product and cover the product because they usually deduct my money. They thought maybe I'm doing adverts for some of the products I usually use. Guys, so you need a tablespoon of aloe vera as well, 100% aloe vera. Okay. So the next step, we're going to mix them together. We mix it thoroughly. You mix it very well. We need the consistency. After mix that, guys, you can keep it in the fridge for 1 week. After a week, 7 days, just dispose it because the strength is going to be very weak. So you don't want to apply that because of infection. So after a week, just dispose it. So guys, then the next thing, we need cotton bud or cotton pad. So we're gonna cut it into the mold size and we're going to be using it. You can use your hand, guys. You don't have to go and waste your money. Use your hand. Use the tip of your nails, of your toes nail. Just something you are very comfortable with. Don't stretch yourself. So after that, you're going to apply the product to the effect area. You're going to apply it from Monday to Sunday. When you are using remedy, consistency is the key. To be honest, you have no break until you get the answer. As you can see, my hair as well, I have no break until I got the answer. So you keep using it, you keep rubbing it with your hand or with your cotton pad. Then leave it for 1 hour. If you like, you can leave it for half an hour. Rinse it with ordinary water or lukewarm water. Don't apply perfume or don't apply any strong moisturizer. Just apply olive oil or coconut oil. I highly recommend those 2 products. And that is all I think I have for you. This work perfectly. You're gonna be doing it time to time, maybe from Monday to Friday or to Sunday. To be honest, if you really want a speed answer, you want a quicker answer, you really have to be using it every day. You might be able to remove your ink today or tomorrow or in a month or 1 year. It depends when the ink eventually fades, and until you are happy. If you're happy after 3 months, 2 months, so be it. But if you are not happy with the result, you're gonna continue. So I better leave you with this. I have to go. Stay blessed. Bye for now.